Let's restore the 1930s Ironworker spud wrench. I got this spud wrench off of eBay at a good price, and as you can tell, it has relatively little corrosion on it, despite the fact it's almost 100 years old. So I actually used to work in structural steel, and this was our go-to tool. We use this for a lot of things, and it came in handy all over the place. And I think what our goal here is today is we're going to try and give this a really nice mirror finish. It's got a lot of ways to go, as you can tell, but we're going to see what we can do. We're going to start by stripping off all this old paint and rust and go from there. Alright, so I stripped off as much rust and paint as I could with a grinder. So you can tell it's looking a lot better already. Next we're going to go ahead and take some Scotch-Brite to it and see where it goes from there. Alrighty, next we're going to hit this with our little nylon rotary wheel, see what we can do, clean it up a little bit more. Looks like we're looking pretty good so far. Now, last step is we're going to be applying some polishing compound on here, and that should finalize this journey. good. I think this project turned out pretty nice, if you ask me. Got the lettering right in there. Oh my gosh. Looks like brand new, doesn't it? Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. I really enjoyed doing this one. Leave a comment on what you want to see next, and we will see you in the next one.